dear students. Welcome to Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad YouTube channel for physics, nanotechnology, and research. So I'm Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad, and I'm the owner of this channel. So let me first tell you something about myself and then the purpose of these channels. So I'm Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad, and I have a PhD degree in experimental physics from University of Malaya, Malaysia. My research field, the field in which I have done my research include synthesis and characterizations of nanomaterial for a variety of potential applications and the field of radiation sensing, biomedicals, and microelectronic mechanical system, etc. This is my primary field of research in which I have done my PhD, and which I am doing the work. For my students, for my MPhil and PhD students. There is a lot of students in my labs who are doing research in this particular field. Along with that, we have collaborations worldwide with different prominent scientists, which included, all the field I have not mentioned here, but the majority of the field that I included here is ionic liquid and their uses, and electrochemical investigations on the corrosion and inhibitions. Along with that, we are doing research on many other compounds like ceramics that include vanadium dioxide, vanadium trioxide, vanadium pentoxide. Along with that, we are doing the research on the synthesis and characterization of different metal oxide nanoparticles or nanotubes, or dope oxide, that is nanotube, nanowire, and nanosheets for different biomedical and photocatalytic applications. Along with that, you know that every researcher, while they are doing their research, so they publish their ideas in different, high reputed ISI journals. So for time being, I have publication is almost every reputed publishers around the globe. That included Elsewhere, Springer, American Physical Society, Nature, American Chemical Society, and Royal Society of Chemistry, etc. These are some of the key things for every researchers who are doing research in a particular field. So it's important that how many publications he have. So I'm also doing the teaching job at my university, and also on the YouTube. So the popular courses which I am teaching or which I have taught, it include thin film technology or physics of thin film. That's normally we teach at MPhil and PhD level. Then we have the course that is called experiment and technique, which include normally the characterizations technique or the synthesis technique like PVD or CVD, and the characterization techniques like SAM, TAM, UV, XRD, Raman, XPS, etc. So all these techniques we trying to teach to the students in order to make them expert for characterizations their results. And we have material science. Material science is again a course that's specially designed for MPhil and PhD, which the student studies relative concept, the popular concept in the material science. Then we have a course for MSc and BS students, that is physics of materials, in which the student learn about a different aspect of materials, and they in that particular course we trying to link the key concept of the material with that of the physics. So after that we have some of the key courses, that is solid state physics, electricity and magnetisms, electromagnetic theory, mechanics, nuclear physics, and modern physics. So these are the courses which I have either taught or I am still teachings, which I have put on the YouTube. So in future you will have to see more videos on the YouTube. So now the question is, what exactly the purpose of these channels? Is it, it's only teaching physics or research or nanotechnology? No. So then what is the purpose? The purpose of this channel is to create critical thinking and the mind of the student of physics, nanotechnology, and researcher. Until and unless you do not have the capability of critical thinking, that is, you're not able to ask questions that what you are reading, why you are reading, for what purpose you are reading, and for how long you will continue this reading. As long as you are not able, you're not capable of asking these sort of the questions, so you won't be able to learn physics or nanotechnology or do the research and their true meaning. So in these channels, from time to times, we will have such a video, or even in the lecture, like in physics lecture, different part of physics lectures, we will trying to teach you that how you can learn physics, or how you can learn, or how you can do the research, or how you can learn the nanotechnology with the critical thinking. I hope you will join on the lectures, and I hope I will succeed at developing critical thinking and the mind of the student. So stay tuned with all the lecture. I hope that you will enjoy a lot. So thanks for watching this video.